Hi, I'm Connie Bendixson, and what Tribe has made possible for me is to gain so much clarity. I've been running a 6-week in-person wellness course for women for about 5 years and recently put it online, but have been really struggling with how to continue to support my people after the course is over. And Tribe has been instrumental in helping me figure out what that's going to look like. And I'm super excited to roll out this membership. And the second thing it's done is made it possible for me to see how my dream of starting a nonprofit organization is going to be possible. I want to start a nonprofit that will help people who want to choose natural alternative cancer treatments but can't afford it. And so this membership is going to make that possible. So thank you, Stu and the team, for this amazing experience.